So we have chick start here. So these days are ready in the brooder now. Same thing every day.
Guess what? I'm starting poultry project, broiler chicken raising to be specific. I am a beginner and I have zero experience, but I have a mentor who will be guiding me until I make my first sale. If you're out there and you want to learn, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell button so that you don't miss out each time I upload new videos. So this is our structure here. It's a two-story structure. So it has down section and then there is also upstairs section. So let me also show you upstairs. So this is the upstairs section here. As you can see, I think it can put up to 150 up here.
So we have chick start here. This chick start, it has in glucose, it has in a lot of vitamins to give the chick energy. It's the first thing we first give the chicks, to give them energy. Before giving these small chicks anything, you first give them this glucose. You first start with the glucose because it helps them with energy. Because during transportation, they get anxious, they get kind of weak, so we need to boost back their energy. So we are going to use the chick start to make them regain their energy, and then mix 2 tablespoons in 10-liter water. You mix well, you make sure it's properly mixed.
First of all, you see this part here. This part here has to enter here. As you see it, it's entering. And then where the water passes, you have to keep it on top.
On top, okay.
And then if you're turning it so that the water does not pour, and then you put it down. Press the under, and then you switch it.
Okay.
So it is now.
You check the chicks.
Oh, so these are the
How
chicks.
many months are they?
This is a day-old chick.
So it is one day old.
1 day. So this is how they look like. 1 day.
42 plus 32.
32 plus.
Mine is 32.
It's 74.
Plus
70.
74, 71.
So 144.
144. I can't do it. We ordered for 150.
150. Does that mean there's overlap somewhere?
Overlap maybe. See, can you put down what either? In the middle there. These people's bags are big. Then they can mix up tiny, but then I get it. Yeah. Oh, see, oh.
Really? One more?
So these guys are ready in the brooder now. Same thing every day.
So they're going to stay here for how long?
Oh, for 2 weeks. When they're inside this. And then we
take this thing up.
we take it out. No, we're not taking it out. We are going to make a figure. This is enough space for now. Yeah.